Public Finance Class 1. Learning Objectives. Number 1. Understanding why public authorities are necessary. So our first learning objective is why in an economy we need public authorities. Second learning objective is to understand what are the important functions of public authorities. Understanding what are the important functions of public authorities. So first we will understand why public authorities are necessary. Second, we will understand what are the important functions of public authorities. What is the need for public authorities? First, number 1. The claim that market mechanism leads to efficient allocation of resources is based on the principle that there exists perfect competition in factor and product market. We claim that market mechanism leads to efficient allocation of resources only when there exists perfect competition in factor and product market. It also means there are no barriers to free entry and exit. It also means that there are no restrictions to enter and exit. But the market size may be such that it may not be able to accommodate such a large number of firms, or it may so happen that there is actually no condition of perfect competition. So in such situation we need another third party or the government. Thus government regulations may be needed to secure such conditions. Number 2. In a decreasing cost industry, when there is continuous fall of cost, competition becomes inefficient. Where competition is inefficient, may require intervention of public authorities. So in a decreasing cost industry, we obviously need public authorities, as inefficient competition in a decreasing cost industry is not favorable for our economy. Number 3. The contractual arrangements in an economy may require legal structure. See, in an economy we mean in an economy there are exchanges, there are economic exchanges that happen in an economy. So some of the exchanges may require contractual arrangements, and these contractual arrangements must be safeguarded by a legal structure which public authorities provide. So number 3 is the contractual arrangements in an economy may require legal structure. That is why we need public authorities. Number 4. There are certain goods whose production and consumption cannot be provided through market mechanism. See, there is a steel plant which produces steel along with pollution. So market mechanism can provide for steel but cannot provide for the pollution that the steel plant produces. So there is no internalization of the pollution in terms of prices. So these problems are called externalities or market failure. So these need to be corrected by public authorities, by a third party called public authority, by means of budgetary provisions, subsidy or tax penalty. Number 5. Legal bindings are required for distribution of income and transmission of wealth by inheritance. See, when wealth is transmitted by inheritance or income is distributed, legal bindings are necessary, which are provided by the public authorities. Number 6. The market system alone is not capable to bring high employment, price level stability and socially desired growth. The market system alone may not be capable and may require the intervention of third party or the public authorities. public policies are required to secure these objectives. See, if market system cannot bring employment, market system cannot bring price level stability, but it can bring price instability in the form of inflation, and it cannot also bring socially desired growth. These three things require the intervention of the government or public authorities. So, due to these 6 reasons, we need public authorities. Next, what are the main functions of public authorities? What are the main functions? There are 3 important functions of the government: allocation function, the distribution function, and number 3, the stabilization function. Now we will look at this one by one. Number 1, allocation function. The provision of social good or the process by which total resource use is divided between private and social good, and by which the mix of social good is chosen, is decided by the government. So the government will produce only roads or only street lights or a combination of roads and street lights must be decided through budget policy. So the allocation function is an important function of the government, by which government decides how total resource will be allocated to private and public sector to produce private and social goods. Number 2, adjustment of the distribution of income and wealth to ensure conformance with what society considers fair or just state of distribution, here referred to as the distribution function. See, income must be distributed in such a way that the distribution is fair and justful. Also, wealth should not be concentrated within few hands. There should not be income inequality. To ensure this, the government must practice fair and just distribution of income and wealth. Third important function, the use of budget policy as a means of maintaining high employment, a reasonable degree of price level stability, and an appropriate rate of economic growth. All these things comes under the stabilization function of the government. So the government of a nation must play an important role to keep the economic scenario in a stable manner. There should not be any unemployment situation. Unemployment situation is also a unstable situation. So government must try to maintain high employment by providing jobs to all those who are willing to work at the prevailing wage rate. Also, the government must try to maintain a reasonable degree of price stability and avoid situations of inflation, and the government or the public authorities must try to maintain a steady average growth rate. Also, government must try to make efforts to expand international trade and improve balance of payment position. So all this comes under the stabilization function of the government. Hope all of you have understood the 2 important study objectives of today: why public authorities are necessary and what are the important functions of public authorities. Thank you.